great place to be. The last little pieces are coming in. Wow! Woohoo! I want to thank you in advance for sticking around with me through this. If you'd like to see more of Grant Custom Designs videos, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to try and get some of my husband's work up here as well. He's a little shyer, so it may be a surprise thing on him. It's tough doing videos and trying to get the work done and working outside. Trying to put these videos together is not easy, but you know, I'm trying to get as many done as I can. Dun dun dun. I hear the theme of the Olympics in the background. Or even the theme from St. Elmo's Fire. Just to get me over the last piece. Ta-da! Chariots of Fire, not St. Elmo's Fire. I knew it was bugging me. And everything is set. Woo! All right. It is almost done. The last thing it needs is the frame that will go on tonight. I will try and get a video of it, and if not, at least get a picture of the final product. Thank you for watching and have a great day.